If you want to make your videos look cleaner, more polished, or just a little more stylish, adding a frame or border in CapCut is a super easy trick that can instantly improve your edit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add frames or borders to your videos in CapCut step by step, so you can create that finished look without any complicated editing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is already loaded. Once you're inside your timeline, the very first thing you need to do is select your video clip. This is important because CapCut can only apply editing changes to the clip you've highlighted. So click on the video in the timeline, and once it's selected, you'll see your editing options appear in the top right panel. Now look for the video section and then click basic if it isn't already open. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the main settings for your clip, including the canvas options we need for borders and frames. After that, scroll down until you find the canvas section. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling through the basic settings because that's where CapCut places the background and border style controls. Once you find canvas, enable it. Turning this on gives you access to the visual framing options that can change the look around your video. From here, you'll see different choices like color, blur, and possibly other background styles depending on the version of CapCut you're using. This is where the border effect really starts to come together. If you want a simple clean frame, choose color. This lets you set a solid background around your video, which can work really well if your clip isn't already filling the entire screen. You can pick a color that matches your content, your brand, or just a style that looks good with your footage. Dark borders, white borders, and matching accent colors are all popular choices. If you want something softer and more cinematic, choose blur. Blur creates a background that uses your video itself, but it's blurred out behind the main clip. This is a great option for vertical videos, square videos, or clips that need to fit a different aspect ratio without leaving empty space. It makes your project look more professional and polished. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, you may also see other border or frame-related options inside Canvas. Feel free to test them out and see which one matches your style best. The goal is to make your videos stand out while still keeping the focus on your actual content. If you want the border to look more intentional, take a moment to preview your clip after applying the effect. Play it back and check whether the frame looks balanced, whether the colors match, and whether the blur or border improves the overall presentation. Small visual details like this can make a big difference in how your video feels to viewers, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can add frames or borders to your videos in CapCut and give your edits a much more finished look. Whether you choose color, blur, or another style, this is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your visuals fast. If this video helped you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.